Hello, we are Miriam, Larici, and Leonardo Barrionuevo, and you're watching Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
We want to talk today about the basic salida, basic step in tango.
We received a lot of comments mentioning that they are not used to do the number one, the counting of the number one on the basic step to the side, and they are rather used to do the number one to the back for the leader, front for the follower. We'll see some common issues that you may have with that and pros and cons of doing one or the other.
Before explaining, we have to make sure that you know both are correct. Starting with the side step or the back step for the leader and front for the follower is correct. It's nothing wrong with that. For us, it's better to start on the side step. Why? Because we count number one on the side, and then it's also not against the line of dance.
Exactly. Another thing is musicality. Always the number one of the music is a big opening. It's very clear that you are doing one with the music, correct? So I will recommend you to watch different competitions, Tango Mundial, exhibitions from the pros, and I bet you are going to see 90% of the people starting number one to the side, and you will see that it matches very, very good with the music. The other one, going back for the leader, is not wrong. It's just a little bit awkward with the music for our taste.
Now, things that you have to be taking care if you do a back step, number one, for the leader, back and forward for the follower. Make sure that the step is very small, very tiny back step, because you are moving against the line of dance. So either your back is going to face the center of the dance floor, or make it very, very tiny and use it as just accommodation to the next step. So don't do a big, large step back with the right leg for the leader and left leg for the follower in the front, because then you may crash, you may step on another couple moving to the line of dance. Be sure to do small step if you are using the back step as number one.
That is a very common accident at the milonga, people stepping backwards against the line of dance with a big, big step. Another thing, that is the counting. Counting, normally the basic step is known to be count from 1 to 8, correct? So once we do the number one to the side, you will notice that the cross figure will land in the number 4, and the ending, the feet together, not the ending, the feet together, the closing of the figure is number 7. But taking the step back has to be very, very small. That'll be a number 8, and it has to be very, very small. And you will notice again, musicality, always the number 8 is a little softer. Yes, not always, of course, because there are different tangos, but you will see that most of the tangos have bum, 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 7 and 8 and 1. The 8 has to be soft for the leader, going back, and small.
Another advantage of doing the side step as number one is that you can take care of your posture. It's very nice to see the leader opening the chest and positioning the arm on the side. This is the elegance of the leader, the position of the body. So you can, opening the torso and putting the hand in a good place, you can make a very nice side step and starting the dance. You are showing her which one is going to be your style. If the style is going to be grounded and slow, elongating the steps, you can start communicating that on the side step, so the followers know who is in front, because we are talking about improvisation. We are talking about social dancing at the milonga, so we have to communicate through the bodies.
We always recommend adding information to your dance, not removing. So if you are one of the person that are using number one to the back, don't erase that. It is not wrong. Just add the possibility of doing the one to the side.
So now you know that you can start the basic step number one, walking backwards for the leader, or side with the left leg for the leader, and both are correct.
Crossing also can be number 4 or number 5. Both are correct. Closing, feet together, can be 7 or can be 8. Both are correct.
Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel and hope to see you on the next video.
Make sure to leave a like before you leave and check out our website miriamleonardotango.com where you're going to find a ton of instructional videos.
Goodbye.